Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we uncover classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Real listings, real history, and real value you can still buy today. Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLHS, $8,000, Frederick, Maryland. This 1980 Harley-Davidson FLHS Shovelhead stands out as a true numbers-matching example, with both the frame and engine retaining their original serial numbers. The 1200cc Shovelhead engine has been professionally rebuilt and has accumulated under 20,000 miles since the work was completed, offering strong mechanical confidence for its next owner. A high-quality custom paint job by Chester, known for painting motorcycles for Jay Leno, adds a unique visual identity without compromising the bike's authenticity. Owned by the same family for over 15 years and carefully garage-stored, this Harley includes useful extras such as spare batteries, oil supplies, and a rear passenger pad, making it a well-rounded and ride-ready classic American V-twin. Number 2. BMW R90/6 Airhead, $4,950, Fort Worth, Texas. This BMW R90/6 Airhead represents classic German engineering with tasteful performance upgrades that enhance real-world usability. Featuring a Brembo front brake conversion and dual spark plugs, the bike delivers improved stopping power and smoother combustion compared to stock examples. While the odometer shows 14,270 miles, the instruments were previously replaced, making exact mileage unknown, which is common among well-maintained classics. The motorcycle runs strong, includes saddlebags and a bikini fairing, and comes with extensive service records. Minor oil seepage is typical for vintage BMW Airheads, but overall, this R90/6 remains a refined, comfortable, and mechanically sorted touring classic. Number 3. Norton 750 Combat Commando, $23,000, Huntington Beach, California. This Norton 750 Combat Commando has undergone a comprehensive frame-off restoration with a fully documented and professionally balanced engine rebuild. Featuring a brand new factory cylinder block, lightweight pistons, Carrillo connecting rods, and extensive upgrades from JS Motorsport, this build significantly reduces vibration while improving performance and reliability. Oil flow issues common to combat engines have been addressed with machining improvements and a reed valve breather system. The bike is equipped with Keen CR carburetors, electronic ignition, rebuilt transmission, new wheels, and modern bearings throughout. Starting easily on the first kick, this Commando offers exceptional performance while preserving the iconic British superbike character collectors seek. Number 4. 1974 Honda CL200 Scrambler, $5,500, Alpine, California. This 1974 Honda CL200 Scrambler is a rare and exceptionally preserved example with just over 2,100 original miles. Retaining its factory paint, chrome, seat, toolkit, and owner's manual, this bike offers an authentic snapshot of Honda's lightweight Scrambler era. The engine runs smoothly and all electrical components, including lights, signals, and horn, function properly. Its compact size, dual-purpose styling, and low mileage make it especially appealing to collectors seeking originality. With a clean California title in the seller's name, this CL200 represents a highly desirable small displacement classic that remains increasingly hard to find in this condition. Number 5. 1967 Triumph Tiger Trophy T100C. $12,500, Indio, California. This genuine 1967 Triumph Tiger Trophy T100C is a desirable high-pipe scrambler built specifically for the U.S. market. Featuring matching frame and engine numbers, factory high exhaust pipes, and classic lightweight handling, the T100C is deeply rooted in Triumph's desert racing heritage. The engine pulls cleanly through the rev range and shifts smoothly through all gears, aided by an upgraded Pazon electronic ignition. Cosmetic condition is excellent, showing only light patina appropriate for its age, with no structural rust or damage. With minimal miles since a prior engine refresh, this Tiger Trophy remains a historically significant and highly collectible British dual sport icon. Number 6. 1978 Yamaha XS 650. $3,900. Martinsburg, Maryland. This 1978 Yamaha XS 650 offers an outstanding balance of reliability, simplicity, and classic styling with just 8,775 original miles. Recently serviced with rebuilt carburetors and a new battery, the bike is fully sorted and ready to ride immediately. Known for its durable parallel twin engine and smooth power delivery, the XS 650 has become increasingly popular among both riders and collectors. This example comes from a private collection and has been well cared for throughout its life. With a clean Maryland title and no known mechanical needs, this XS 650 represents an affordable and dependable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycling. Number 7. 1969 BSA Lightning A65. $3,500. Yucaipa, California. This 1969 BSA Lightning A65 is a true barn-find survivor, discovered in an abandoned airplane hangar in California's Napa Valley. Showing just 1,073 miles, the engine kicks over with strong compression, indicating excellent internal condition despite long-term storage. The bike retains its original character and presents a rare opportunity for either preservation or light recommissioning. With a clear California title, this Lightning offers collectors a chance to own an authentic, low-mileage British twin that has not been over-restored. For enthusiasts who'd appreciate originality and history, this BSA represents exceptional value in today's vintage market. Number 8. 1974 Suzuki GT750. $3,800, Cincinnati, Ohio. Known as the Water Buffalo, the 1974 Suzuki GT750 is a landmark motorcycle as one of the first mass-produced liquid-cooled two-strokes. This example runs well with strong compression, smooth shifting, and fully functional electrical systems. The cooling system has been serviced, carburetors cleaned and synchronized, and numerous components replaced to ensure mechanical reliability. While the bike would benefit from cosmetic restoration such as paint, chrome work, and new tires, it remains a solid and complete platform. With a clean title and relatively low mileage, this GT750 offers an affordable entry into one of Suzuki's most historically significant models. Number 9. 1959 MV Augusta 150 RS, $7,000, Laguna Beach, California. This 1959 MV Augusta 150 RS is a rare and elegant Italian lightweight with matching numbers and just 8 kilometers since its restoration. Known for precision engineering and racing heritage, MV Augusta motorcycles from this era are increasingly sought after by collectors worldwide. The bike presents beautifully and reflects careful restoration while preserving period-correct details. Its compact displacement and refined design make it ideal for display or light riding. As classic Italian motorcycles continue to appreciate, this 150 RS represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of European motorcycling history. Number 10. 1976 BMW R90/6, $3,000, Greenville, South Carolina. This 1976 BMW R90/6 is a well-used but properly cared-for rider that reflects the durability BMW airheads are known for. With nearly 64,000 miles, it has been ridden regularly and maintained rather than stored. The bike runs and rides, includes a new battery, functional gauges, and comes with carburetor synchronization equipment and fluids for future servicing. While not cosmetically perfect, it offers strong mechanical fundamentals and a clean title. This R90/6 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, usable classic BMW rather than a museum piece. Number 11. 1969 Kawasaki 250 F4 Sidewinder, $2,750, Palm Springs, California. This 1969 Kawasaki 250 F4 Sidewinder is a rare early two-stroke that is nearing completion of its restoration. The fuel and oil tanks have been restored with correct decals, and the bike features new tires, cables, chain, and a rebuilt seat. Original rims remain in good condition, preserving its factory appearance. While currently offered with a bill of sale, this Sidewinder has been a long-term California bike and represents a unique opportunity for collectors familiar with vintage Japanese two-strokes. Once completed, it promises strong performance and standout originality. Number 12. 1961 Vespa Piaggio 150, $9,000, Pasadena, California. This 1961 Vespa Piaggio 150 is a beautifully preserved classic scooter that continues to run perfectly decades after its production. Featuring a clean title and original Italian design, it reflects Vespa's reputation for simplicity and durability. The 150cc engine offers smooth, efficient performance ideal for urban riding or collection display. With its timeless styling and excellent condition, this Vespa appeals to both collectors and lifestyle riders. As early Vespa models become increasingly scarce, this example stands out as a solid investment-grade classic. Number 13. 1967 Honda 150 Dream, $4,000, Diamonddale, Michigan. The 1967 Honda 150 Dream is an iconic step-through motorcycle known for its enclosed bodywork and exceptional reliability. This example appears largely original, shows just over 5,300 miles, and presents in very nice overall condition. Honda's engineering during this era emphasized durability and ease of ownership, making the Dream a favorite among vintage enthusiasts. Its smooth-running engine and approachable design make it suitable for both collectors and casual riders. Clean and well-preserved examples like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Number 14. 1977 Kawasaki KZ 650, $3,700, Tempe, Arizona. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ 650 is a first-year example of one of Kawasaki's most successful middleweight platforms. With approximately 17,000 miles, it runs and rides very well, and includes original accessories such as the factory toolkit, owner's manual, and keys. The bike retains its classic inline-4 character, delivering smooth power and dependable performance. A clean Arizona title and excellent overall condition make this KZ 650 a strong candidate for both riding enjoyment and long-term collectability. Number 15. 1969 Bridgestone 100 TMX, $850, Kingman, Arizona. This 1969 Bridgestone 100 TMX is a charming vintage trail bike that remains largely original and starts easily. Recently fitted with new rear wheel bearings, it offers basic mechanical soundness despite its age. Documentation from the California Department of Motor Vehicles confirms it is no longer in their system, allowing the new owner to title it in another state. Affordable and approachable, this Bridgestone is ideal for collectors of vintage Japanese trail bikes or enthusiasts seeking a simple restoration or light riding project. If you enjoyed discovering real classic motorcycle deals like these, don't forget to subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more rare finds and timeless machines.